Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. Maybe not totally necessary, but I started thinking, if you watch the first video, you might think you have to have a straight line across here. So you could draw this, and this isn't going to really matter, but I don't know where they wanted to cut it apart. But you could take your freehand pick tool and just kind of go like right here, and then maybe go up into his headdress and then over, and you have that. So you could break it apart in different parts. So what we want to do now is we want to take this and move it over, take our line and move it over, take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And that's going to give us separate entities. So we'll leave that right there. But now we'll take both these and we'll left click no fill, right click outline, and we'll make a duplicate of the Indian, Native American, and then you have two separate deals. Then we can grab all that and intersect it. And what you have now is a little bit different shape on the break apart or the cut that you could do with the knife tool. And this way I was hoping to kind of explain it. So now you have, let me set the nudge factor on like 1/4 of an inch. Now you have, wow. My number lock was unlocked or locked with either one. Now you have a total different break, much like you could do with the knife tool. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.